Greetings, witches. Bear with me. Just going to get my drum out. I'm going to get my drum out. I'm going to give it a little go in my left hand. So we'll see. While I give you some news. So I think I'm going to have to hold it like that. Or similar. Maybe like that, actually. Might be able to do that. Okay. Now, can I talk and drum with my left hand at the same time? I don't know. We're going to find out. Hello, Joanna. Woo! So, the reason I thought I'd come on here quickly is Magic Monday. What's Magic Monday? Is that what I hear you say? Maybe you're not saying anything. No, it's going a bit wibbly wobbly, this drumming. Hello, Michelle. So just ignore the weird drumming. It's doing its own thing. So yeah, Magic Monday. I'm good, Joanna. I can hold a pen and I can kind of write. It's not really very legible, but I can write. Woohoo! So yeah, I haven't tried doing up my shoelaces yet because that's a little bit tricky. I did do it the other day, but it made my hand ache. So yeah, I've held off of that. So I wore things with. I wore my boots today, which have zips. Much easier than laces. Do you know? Seriously, this is amazing. Been doing a lot of healing on it, self-healing. Ian did a bit of healing on it. Mindset, obviously, a big one for you advanced witches out there. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I've been tucking that down. Fading quartz. Amazing. Love that crystal. What else have we been doing? CBD, activated CBD oil. The occasional hydrogen peroxide spray. Although that was more for my wisdom tooth, which decided it was also going to go, yeah! And I went, no, you're not fucking doing that. Sprayed it with hydrogen peroxide and it shut the fuck up. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I opened a packet yesterday. I know it's big news, isn't it? But it is big news. I don't know. I've never broken anything before, so I don't know what the normal is. But so yeah, back to Magic Monday. As far as I know, because we haven't heard anything to the contrary, we have a guest medium this evening for Magic Monday. We do. Yes, we do. Well, I'm presuming we do, because we haven't heard to the contrary, like I say. We did confirm yesterday, so we're assuming it's going to be here. If not, then we'll make it up as we go along. Actually, let me see if I can hold that, and even if it's loosely. There you go. Done. It's not too bad, actually, drumming with your left hand. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be all over the shop. Although that is with a beater, not with a tipper. Not quite sure what the result of that would be, but there you go.